Gigabyte introduces X870 Eagle Wi-Fi 7 motherboard with 18 power faces and up to DDR5 8000 and 256GB support with easy features. Gigabyte adds another X870 chipset motherboard for AMD's AM5 Ryzen CPUs, the X870 Eagle Wi-Fi 7. A few days ago, Gigabyte unveiled its high-end X870E Aorus Master motherboard. For enthusiasts, the company has now introduced a new mainstream X870 chipset motherboard named the X870 Eagle Wi-Fi 7. This model is based on the Neon E X870 chipset but offers competitive features for modern PC featuring the latest AM5 AMD Ryzen CPUs. The Gigabyte X870 Eagle Wi-Fi 7 motherboard features a 6-layer PCB and a robust VRM featuring 14+2+2 power faces for overclocking and reliable voltage supply to the AMD Ryzen AM5 CPUs. Long aluminum grooved heatsinks are installed on the VRM components for heat dissipation, plus a small I/O shroud with an RGB lit eagle logo is featuring for aesthetic. The PCB is decorated with grey and white accent and a chipset with a customizable RGB LED zone. Key features of the board: AMD socket AM5 support, AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, 7000 series processor, digital twin 14+2+2 faces VRM solution, dual channel DDR5 4x DIMM with AMD Expo memory module support, Wi-Fi easy plug, quick and easy design for Wi-Fi antenna installation, Easy Latch Plus PCIe and M.2 with quick release and screwless design, Easy Latch Click M.2 heatsink with screwless design, friendly UI, multi-theme AIO fan control and QFlash plus auto scan in BIOS and SW, ultra fast storage, 3 M.2 slots including one PCIe 5.0x4, efficient thermal VRAM thermal armored advanced and M.2 thermal guard, fasting networking, 2.5 GB LAN and Wi-Fi 7 with ultra high gain antenna. Extended connectivity, dual USB 4 Type-C with DP Alt HDMI, PCIe UD slot X PCIe 5.0x16 slot with 10x strength for graphics card. 4D IMM slot are featured on the motherboard that supports up to 256GB of DDR5 memory clocked at up 800 MT per second. Furthermore, with AMD Expo technology, the board offers great stability for overclocking RAM on optimized memory setting. For expansion cards, there are 3x PCIe X16 slots, the primary one featuring the Gen 5 bandwidth while the other two offers PCIe Gen 3.0 interference. There are several latest storage connectors too, including 3x M.2 connector supporting PCIe 5.0 and 4.0 speeds, and 4x SATA 6GB per second port for traditional SATA hard drive, solid state drive for convenient connectivity. There are several headers on board supporting USB 2.0, 3.2 Gen 1 and Type-C 3.2 Gen 2x2 ports for front panel case connection. At the I/O, there are multiple USB Type-A and Type-C connectors including the fast USB 4 3.2 Gen 2 and Gen 1 and regular USB 2.0 port for peripherals. The Gigabyte X870 Eagle Wi-Fi 7 motherboard comes with a multi built-in MediaTek Wi-Fi 7 MT7925 adapter and a fast Realtek 2.5GB LAN for internet connectivity. Bluetooth 5.4 support is also provided for a stable and extended range for wireless devices. While the motherboard doesn't afford premium features in the troubleshooting department, users can find a QFlash Plus at the I/O easy debug zone on the PCB along with power and reset button for overclocking enthusiasts. The X870 Eagle Wi-Fi 7 carries the latest M.2 Easy Latch Click and Easy Latch Plus design for easier M.2 SSD installation, and the latest PCIe Easy Latch Plus for the premier PCIe 1016 slot. The full list of I/O includes 1x QFlash Plus button, 2x antenna connector, 1x HDMI port, 2x USB 4 USB Type-C port, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port red, 3x USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, 4x USB 2.0 and 1.1 port, 1x RJ45 port, and 3x audio jacks. The pricing and availability for the X870 Eagle Wi-Fi 7 is not yet announced, but the motherboard is expected to launch on the 30th September along with other X870 and X870E boards from Gigabyte and other motherboard makers.